Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Office. Question for you. You're in tech support?
Yeah.
Okay. The other gentleman, he had no clue. All right. Right now in the jail, what we're running the old Folger Adams Deadbolt, the 401s, with the small frame, or a small case, I guess you could say.
A small what?
We call it small case.
I don't know what that means.
It's just the size of the deadbolt itself.
Okay, that's
okay.
not.
No, it's not. But my question.
No, it's not. What? What was I going to say?
Well, it's not the same as how you guys classify your deadbolt.
No. A Rixson 401 out of the catalog is a Rixson 401.
Yeah.
If you're using your own made-up terminology, I'm not saying that I understand that. All I know is what's in the catalog.
Well, okay, let's make it even easier. On the nameplate, they call it small case.
Okay.
Okay? So my question to you, your Rixson 401 DR Electric Deadbolt, because I couldn't, on the website, I couldn't bring up like the dimensions of that size. Is there a way to get the dimensions to make sure that without doing like huge modifications to our headers, if this lock is the same size as the original Folger Adams?
Yeah, so the key is not the body size, because what is currently made is smaller than what you have. What is the same is the faceplate dimension, which, don't quote me, but it's about 9-inch long and about 1.25 inches wide, something like that.
Yeah, and what was the height?
Height, or the height of the entire body?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what the Rixson was. It was much larger than what is made today. What's made today might be, it's not more than 3 inches. That Rixson certainly was more than that. Okay.
Yeah, see, the original, I could actually give you the dimensions of that, but it's not going to because really what we're running into the problem is, over the years, they've been in since 1984, and we rebuilt them over the years, is the solenoids finally just wear out and they get smoked, and we're running, down on our supplies now. So that I would be curious if you guys are running the same solenoid in your brand 401 as the old school was.
Oh God, no.
Yeah, so you'd be totally different than that one.
Well, it's gonna get you to the same place.
Yeah.
The important thing is what I ship you is going to fit into the faceplate dimension, length, width, and length, width, and thickness.
Yep.
You're going to have to replace the strike as well, because where the bolt's coming out of the body is not the same. So if you don't change the old strike, you're going to have to drill a hole. Okay.
Which is on top of the door and stuff like that, depending on whereabouts it is. Okay.
But what voltage are you running?
Well, this is what it's. I'm the electrician up here. So way back, we used to run all the strikes. They were operated at 125 volts. Some of the strikes that my previous boss had gotten, they were 125 volts DC. So what we were doing, we were putting the rectifier in, changing it back. You know what I'm getting at?
So the question is what voltage are you?
I would prefer, me personally, I prefer to stay at 125 volts.
All right. So it will only be available as low voltage.
So you have to swap to 120 volts DC then. Okay.
What I'm going to supply you is going to be DC, and it's going to be low voltage.
So 24 volts then is what you're
24 VDC is what the thing's going to come to you as. Then the next thing is, so that's easy. If you've got 120 volts, you know what to do.
I can, yeah.
All right, so the next thing is I must know if it's fail-safe or fail-secure.
Fail-safe.
Yeah, well, so the part number that you've provided is absolutely not fail-safe. That 401DR was a fail-secure. So it doesn't really matter right now what it is, but when you order it, it absolutely matters. You know that.
So when I want to do this, I can still go off this Rixson number, or would it be, or when, because what we would do is what I want to do for an experiment and see how much of a really pain in the ass this is going to be. At least order one, if not two of these. And when they come in, we got to write down on the purchase order what would the part number be.
Well, when you say 401R or 401DR, that absolutely means it's fail secure. When you say just 401, that means fail safe.
Okay.
So, you know, what people wouldn't know that unless they studied the catalog. But what people know, like electricians, is whether it's fail safe or fail secure. Let me worry about the nerdy part number. You worry about knowing if the circuit's open or closed.
Yeah, we don't want these guys coming out of when our 401s go. You know, we lock them. It's a challenge sometimes when they fail electrically locked. Then you got to get in there.
You got to get rid of Sawzall, yeah.
No, we always get on the other side of the door one way or another, get the plate off. But yeah, okay. So basically, when we do that, we would just write down like the 401DR, electric deadbolt, and just write fail safe.
Yeah, I mean, the more information, the better. The milliamps, I mean, you wouldn't provide that, but I would provide the milliamps, the voltage. I would provide the voltage, the current. I would provide the function. And, you know, and then 401 series, that kind of thing. Okay.
Now, I got a favor. Could you, can I give you my email and have you just send me, like, your name through your company?
Yeah,
so then
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.